Dang it. My lens thing just went off. Oh my god, it's so bright. Oh my, I'm blind right now. Okay, alright. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. So during the making of this video, I had a little bit of a rebranding. So instead of Adventure Some, it's now Adventure Dumb, because I'm just a dumb guy on YouTube. So I thought that was kind of clever. So if you go to adventuredumb.com, that is where all the apparel is. Even if you type in the old website, it will redirect you to the new one. But check out some of the new items and clothing that I have to help support the website. So you may or may not notice some of the overdubs that I did in this video. They're very, very subtle, so I'm sure you won't even pick up on them. Very, very subtle. Hey there! Thanks again for stopping by. Today I want to show you a really cool meal. You can eat this for breakfast, lunch, dinner, even a dessert. It's a French toast that's high in protein, low in calories. I got from a guy named Greg Doucette. He's got a YouTube channel. Check him out. Little disclaimer, I'm just a guy on YouTube. This is just my opinion, and so don't follow or do anything that I say, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just some guy on YouTube. It only has a few ingredients, so it's not too crazy, and it's really quick to make. So even if you're on the go, it doesn't take that long to make, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. Just stick around and follow along. Most important piece of this recipe, the food scale. Don't forget your food scale. It's the most important thing. If you're dieting and you're trying to lose weight or trying to do anything, the only way you're going to be successful at it is if you count all of your calories. If you don't know what you're putting in your body, you're just winging it. You're just lying to yourself. So pay attention to what you're doing.
And these are all the ingredients that you need. Not that much.
Alright, so to get this thing started, we're going to do egg whites. So these are egg beaters. A lot of times people are like, oh, they taste gross or whatever, but they taste exactly the same. They're even the same color. These are like the ones that they're not egg whites. They're yellow, even though they're egg whites. But we're going to do 2 servings of this, which is going to be 50 calories. So it's 46 grams each. So we're going to do that. 1 serving, tear, 2 servings, done. And depending on how much of this you want to make, you can increase the recipe, decrease the recipe, whatever your calories are for the day, whatever your goal is, you can manipulate it any way you want. But this is going to be awesome. You watch. Next we're going to do, boom, we're going to do 2 pieces of this low-calorie, 40-calorie bread. Doesn't matter what kind of bread, just make sure it's low in calorie. There's a ton of different variations of bread that you can find out there that are like super low in calorie. Some breads are really high. Like you can find breads that look exactly like this, say healthy, harvesty, oaty, nutty, with all this crazy stuff on it. And they're like 160 calories, 180 calories, 220 calories. So that's a ton of calories that you don't want to eat if you can find something that's lower in calories. So 2 flippily floppily pieces of bread, right? Not a ton. You're getting 40 calories a slice, so doing 80 calories. So this is only 80 calories. I'm gonna dredge this. Put it over here. Any little extra eggs that you got, just throw it on there. It's more protein. And that is step 2. All right, next we're gonna do 230 grams of strawberries, which is around 75 calories. So all these strawberries get 75 calories. So that's a nice little addition to that. Next thing we're gonna do is spray our pan with this 0 calorie, even though it's not really 0 calorie, it's probably like 5 calories. We're gonna spray our pan with this stuff, just little pop, 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 just enough to wet the whistle. And we're gonna throw our dredged French toast pieces on there. Should probably light it, that would probably help a little bit. If If anyone's interested in purchasing one of these t-shirts, this is my dog Snickers. This is his face on there. He's a part of the
Adventure
logo. You can go on
Adventure
some website, purchase. I put a whole bunch of new kinds of clothes, shirts, hats, sweaters, jackets, all sorts of cool stuff that you can purchase to help support the channel. So if you're interested in that, check it out. I'm also thinking of doing, for the 4 people that watch my videos, if you have any cool t-shirt ideas, I have a graphic design degree, so if you know the first person to comment, I'll actually make whatever t-shirt that you want, and I'll put it on a portion of the website. And I'm looking for some interesting ideas that are in the wheelhouse of what this channel is about. So mental health, physical health, outdoors, backpacking, all that kind of stuff. Just like an idea of something. Like I was walking home from work today, and this lady had a shirt on that I saw that said, "I wet my plants." That was pretty funny. The first good idea, I'll make the t-shirt for you. Post it on my website and you'll be able to find it. I don't know, I'll put like, you know,
Adventure Dumb.
YouTube t-shirt ideas or something. I'll make a page for it and you can buy the shirt on there. Yeah, check out the website. It's got a whole bunch of cool stuff I just put up. It's about time to flip the old French toast, give it a little flipperooski. So here we go. Another thing you can add to give it a little bit more flavor too, if you'd like, is you can add cinnamon. You can also add vanilla extract. Those are some of the things that they're low calorie or 0 calorie, but add a little bit of flavor if you want a little bit of that cinnamony kind of taste to your French toast. So, just not cinnamon sugar. Don't you do it. Don't do cinnamon sugar. You do regular cinnamon. No sugar. Just the cinnamon part, not the sugar part. Got it? Alright, so we're ready to plate the French toast up, so let's go do that. Alright, so we got all this plated up. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to hit tear on our little scale here. Don't forget about your little scale friend. He's your buddy, he's not your enemy. And we're going to add our yogurt. So I want to do 2 servings. These are... 1 container is the whole thing, so 2 of these containers, so it's only going to be 160 calories for both of these. These are fat free. You can do the Carb Master or lower calorie ones. This is sweeter, this is more tart, but it's heavier, it's thicker, and I like using this one because it's almost like a custardy kind of a feel, and I just dig it better. And then we're gonna add our strawberry and our syrup and all that, so let's do that right now. Take out the little yogurt condiments in there, I guess. I don't know what that is. Look at that. Boom! So there's one down. We got the second one here. Whoa, things exploding. Alright, give it a little stir. And we're gonna throw this on there too. Boom. Look at that. Look at all of that. Okay, so that's all done. We got our 2 servings of that. And then want to add a little bit of strawberry jam. We're gonna add our strawberries. I'm gonna slice these bad boys up and throw them on top. And then we're gonna do syrup, so we'll be right back. Alright, so now we got all of our strawberries. It's hard to film this. This is like so weird. Usually like these TikToker kids, they got their cameras up and down like this, you can see more. This is like I'm peering through like underneath the door or something trying to talk to you guys. But anyway, got these washed up, chopped up, and we're gonna put these on top. Bunch of strawberries, look at that. Real good. Real nice like. Just load them up on there. There's your strawberries. I like a ton of strawberries. Okay, and then next we are going to do the sugar-free preserves, and then we're going to do our sugar-free syrup. God, it's so loud out there. So the worst thing about living in the city is that it's so loud all the time. All right, can you hear me now? So this sugar-free, kill him. All right. Jesus. All right. So we have 17 grams is a serving. So, and it's only 10 calories, right? So the sugar-free preserve. So let's do, we got our turn our scale on. It's at 0. And we got, what, 17 grams. So let's see how much that is. Ooh. Ooh. There is, oh, making a mess. That's about 17. Let's double it. So we'll just tear it again. So I'm kind of a sugar fiend. So let's do another 17 grams. Go. All right, perfect. 17 grams. Now all we have is our syrup. I also love a ton of syrup. I'm like, I got a sweet tooth. My sweet tooth is right here. It's that big one. That's my sweet tooth. And you're gonna see how much syrup you can put on. If you're using like low calorie stuff, it's ridiculous how much syrup you can put on something that's sugar free. And I can't tell the difference. It all tastes the same to me. So let's open this bad boy up. Tear again. This is 15 calories for 30 milliliters. So on your scale, you'll have options to go milliliters, grams, whatever it is that you're doing, whatever it says in the back, just switch it to that. Okay, so we got 30 milliliters right now. So the scale's zeroed out, under milliliters. It's on milliliters. 30 milliliters. Here we go. Dun dun dun. Look how much this is. Still going. All right, that is one serving. So that's 15 calories. 15 calories. There's probably more calories in a stick of gum than what I'm putting on here for syrup wise. So let's do 2 servings. So we'll tear it again. Another 15. Why not 3? Let's go 3. Let's go crazy. I'm nuts. Let's go nuts. Another 15. Done. All right. And there you have it, folks. Look at that. You can literally eat this a bunch of times every day.
Look at all that syrup. I don't know about you, but that looks pretty good.
Okay, so here is the rundown for the entire calories and protein for this meal, all right? You are looking at 45 calories for syrup. That's 3 servings of the syrup, 80 calories for the 2 slices of bread, the low-calorie bread we use, 160 calories for the yogurt. That's 2 servings of the Fagi yogurt, however you want to say that. 20 calories for the strawberry jam. We did 2 servings of that. 75 calories for the strawberries, around 230 grams. You're getting 52 grams of protein and 380 calories. I can literally eat this meal 5 times a day if I want. I'm on around a 2,200 calorie diet. I do kind of walk a lot, so I'm burning off some calories. But this is just something, it just shows you that you don't have to just eat broccoli and chicken breasts and like oatmeal and all this boring ass stuff. Like you can eat like really good tasting stuff that feels like you're cheating, but you're not. Like I'll eat this for dinner a bunch of times, and I'll make like this, but I'll double the recipe. So I'll get 4 pieces and just double everything up. And you're getting around 700 calories instead of the 380 calories that you are getting on this meal. The whole point of these meals is to keep you healthy, keep you able to go out on the trails, go hiking, go backpacking without wheezing or like dying trying to go up a hill or going through switchbacks and whatnot. It all starts in the kitchen. So if you're not healthy, you're not living a healthy lifestyle, you're not eating a healthy diet, what we just made is actually healthy. Don't be scared of bread either. That's another big thing. a lot of people are carbophobes, like, oh, I can't eat carbs, or I can't do this, or I have to only eat chicken breasts or vegetables. You don't. You can eat really, really tasty food that looks like cheat food, and it's not. You just have to be smart about it. I've made it for my family members and haven't told them that it was a low-calorie meal or that it was like diet food or anything, and they're like, oh, this is great, what is this? I'll take more. No idea. So just try this out, or don't. Actually, you know what? Do not make this. Just don't make this. Just don't make this at all. Right? Don't listen to anything I say or do on here. It's definitely the wrong information, and it definitely won't help you lose weight. It 100% won't. It tastes horrible. Won't help you lose weight. All bad ideas. So don't do anything I say or do. All right. This is just for fun, right? So check out this meal. Hope you liked it. Hope Snickers liked it. Did you like it, Snickers? Did you like it? Yeah, you liked it? It's a great way to stay in shape and a great way to lose weight and still be able to eat really, really tasty foods. Snickers, do you like the meal that I made? You like your meal I made. Yours is a high protein, low calorie meal too. You're busy. Once again, thanks for stopping by. You know, I just had such a great time showing you how to make this meal. So if you're adventure dumb, I will see you on the next one. Peace.
If you're adventure dumbs, I'll see you on the next ones.
Adventure Dome. Like and subscribe.